Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, who a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. A kitchen oasis, modern rustic charm meets peaceful greenery. Imagine a kitchen that seamlessly blends modern functionality with rustic warmth, all bathed in natural light thanks to a connection with a peaceful rural garden. Here's a closer look at this unique culinary haven. Modern rustic kitchen, warm gray wood cabinets. Gray wood cabinets with clean lines and sleek hardware create a modern and sophisticated feel. The warm undertone adds a touch of rustic charm and complements natural elements. Exposed beam ceiling. Exposed beams painted white or a light wood tone add architectural interest and enhance the rustic charm of the space. Stainless steel accents. High-quality stainless steel appliances and hardware bring a touch of modern elegance and provide a practical contrast to the warmth of the wood. Statement lighting. A statement light fixture, like a large pendant lamp made from natural materials, wicker, woven metal, adds a touch of rustic personality and enhances the functionality of the space. Stone countertops. Durable and beautiful stone countertops, like granite or quartz, provide a timeless elegance and complement the warm gray cabinets. Peaceful rural garden, herb garden within reach. A dedicated herb garden, conveniently located on a sunny windowsill or a vertical herb wall, provides fresh ingredients at your fingertips and adds a touch of greenery to the kitchen. French doors opening to the garden. French doors leading out to the peaceful rural garden create a sense of openness and allow natural light to flood the kitchen. Rustic dining area under the pergola. Imagine stepping out the French doors and into a rustic dining area nestled under a pergola adorned with climbing vines. Enjoy your meals surrounded by the beauty and tranquility of nature. Calming color palette. The garden incorporates a calming color palette of green foliage with pops of color from seasonal blooms, creating a serene atmosphere. Overall vibe, this kitchen design is a symphony of functionality and beauty. The modern elements ensure a comfortable and efficient cooking experience, while the rustic touches and connection to the garden create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Imagine whipping up a delicious meal with fresh herbs from your windowsill, and then enjoying it al fresco with a view of your peaceful rural garden. Additional touches, vintage kitchenware. Display vintage kitchenware on open shelving or hang copper pots on a rack to add a touch of rustic personality. Woven baskets and textiles. Woven baskets for storing utensils or dish towels made from natural fibers add warmth and texture. Breakfast bar with garden view. Incorporate a breakfast bar with comfortable stools. Position to maximize the view of the garden, creating a cozy spot for casual meals. This is just a starting point. Personalize it further by incorporating elements that reflect your personal cooking style and rural surroundings. Let your imagination flow and create a kitchen that's both a culinary haven and a peaceful retreat. Here are several compelling reasons to consider a modern rustic kitchen with gray wood cabinets in a peaceful rural garden. Modern rustic kitchen, warmth and functionality. The combination of modern features and rustic elements creates a kitchen that's both stylish and functional. The warm gray wood offers a sense of comfort and complements natural materials often found in rural settings. Versatility of gray. Gray is a versatile color that pairs well with a variety of styles and materials. This allows you to personalize the kitchen with your favorite appliances, backsplashes, and decor without worrying about clashing colors. Modern touches for efficiency. Stainless steel appliances and clean lines in the cabinetry create a sleek and modern look, making the kitchen feel efficient and organized. Durable materials. Modern rustic kitchens often utilize high-quality materials like stone countertops and stainless steel appliances, ensuring they can withstand the wear and tear of everyday use. Peaceful rural garden. Fresh herbs at your fingertips. Having a dedicated herb garden readily accessible in your kitchen allows you to incorporate fresh ingredients into your meals with ease. Natural light and connection with nature. Large windows and access to the garden bathe the kitchen in natural light, creating a bright and uplifting atmosphere. The connection to the outdoors can also improve your mood and reduce stress. Year-round inspiration. A well-designed rural garden can offer visual interest throughout the year, with blooming flowers in spring and summer, vibrant foliage in fall, and even winter beauty with evergreens or sculptural plants. Increased property value. A well-maintained and aesthetically pleasing kitchen and garden can add value to your property. Combined benefits. A kitchen oasis. The blend of modern functionality, warm wood tones, and a connection to the peaceful garden creates a kitchen that's not just a place to cook, but a relaxing and inspiring haven. Enhanced culinary experience. Fresh herbs from your garden and the serene ambience can elevate your cooking experience and encourage healthy eating habits. A seamless indoor-outdoor living experience. French doors and a designated outdoor dining area create a seamless flow between the kitchen and the garden, allowing you to extend your living space outdoors and enjoy meals al fresco. Unique aesthetic. The combination of modern and rustic elements creates a one-of-a-kind kitchen that reflects a love of nature and modern comfort. Overall, a modern rustic kitchen with gray wood cabinets in a peaceful rural garden offers a stylish, functional, and inspiring space that allows you to connect with nature, enjoy fresh ingredients, and create a culinary haven in your own home. Here's a roadmap to embark on your journey of designing a modern rustic kitchen with gray wood cabinets in a peaceful country garden. 1. Define your needs and budget. Kitchen functionality. Consider your cooking habits and how you use your kitchen space. Do you need a large prep area, ample storage, or dedicated spots for appliances? Garden design. Think about the level of maintenance you're comfortable with and how you'll use the garden. Will you need space for a dedicated herb garden, a dining area, or simply a relaxing retreat? Budget. Determine your overall budget for the kitchen renovation and garden design. This will guide your material selections and project scope. 2. Kitchen design inspiration. Browse online resources. Websites and magazines showcasing modern rustic kitchens can provide inspiration for color palettes, cabinet styles, and layout ideas. Consider reclaimed wood accents. Reclaimed wood accents on countertops, shelves, or a backsplash can add a touch of rustic charm and history to the space. Sample and test paint colors. Order paint samples for the cabinets and test them in your kitchen with different lighting conditions to find the perfect warm gray shade. 3. Garden design and plant selection. Research your rural climate zone. This will help you choose plants that thrive in your specific environment and require minimal maintenance. Sketch a garden layout. Consider factors like sunlight availability, drainage, and desired seating areas for a peaceful retreat. Consult with a local nursery or gardening expert. They can advise you on selecting plants best suited for your desired aesthetic and your rural climate. Consider low-maintenance options like lavender, herbs, flowering shrubs, or ornamental grasses. 4. Kitchen renovation and appliance selection. Cabinetry. Choose high-quality cabinets in a warm gray wood tone with clean lines and sleek hardware to achieve a modern look. Countertops. Opt for durable and beautiful stone countertops, like granite or quartz, that complement the warm gray cabinets. Consider adding a butcher block section for a touch of rustic charm. Appliance selection. Modern stainless steel appliances will seamlessly blend with the overall aesthetic and provide optimal functionality. 5. Connecting the indoors and outdoors. French doors. Invest in high-quality French doors leading out to the garden, maximizing natural light and creating a seamless flow between the kitchen and the peaceful retreat. Outdoor dining area. Create a designated outdoor dining area under a pergola or a large tree, with comfortable seating and shade, perfect for enjoying meals surrounded by nature. Herb garden integration. Designate a sunny windowsill or a vertical herb wall near your prep area for convenient access to fresh herbs. Additional tips. Flooring. Choose a flooring material that complements the gray cabinets and is easy to clean, like light-colored hardwood floors or patterned tiles. Lighting. Combine modern pendant lights over the work area with rustic touches like woven basket pendant lamps or sconces for ambient lighting. Vintage touches. Display vintage kitchenware on open shelves or hang copper pots on a rack to add a touch of personality and connect the space to the rural theme. By following these steps and personalizing the design to your tastes, you can create a modern rustic kitchen with warm gray cabinets and a peaceful country garden. Enjoy the process of creating your culinary haven and a tranquil retreat connected to nature. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.